did have Friday night dinner. We did have a special meal that night, whether my father was there or not. We had a special meal on Friday night, usually a boiled chicken.
Can you describe any of those meals?
Oh, I would tell you, my mother was probably one of the worst cooks in the world. When I said it was a boiled chicken, that was the easiest thing to do. She couldn't bake. The green beans were brown, overcooked. The carrots were mushy, even though they were sliced. She did make or attempt to make gefilte fish every so often. She would make it herself and grind, but she would have the fishmonger grind the fish for her. It was eggs and soup, and during the hard times, it was corn soup or potato soup. No meat of any kind, unless there was a chicken bone left over or bones that you would get from the butcher. But the meals were sparse but healthy. Whether it was bananas and sour cream, or lunch, there was never any lunch meat. It was usually tuna fish, or peanut butter, or there was never any chicken left over, because we ate it all completely. I had if I was 7, my brother was 15 growing up and eating everything in sight. So the meals were good and healthy. I survived, but there was kosher was in the house, but milk and meat, hara. I mean, it just didn't exist. And I didn't eat at my friend's house because their parents couldn't afford even to have us an extra plate. We didn't invite anybody over. We had no company.